G'day guys, welcome back to MG Rebuild, and also welcome to the my new subscribers as well. Today is an exciting day. We're actually going to be putting the body back onto the chassis so we can line some panels up. Come and join me. Okay, sorry guys, I wasn't able to show you what we just did. Put the body tub on. One of the helpers, aka my wife, didn't want to be videoed, so I wasn't allowed to have it on camera. So anyway, what we're going to do now is put the body tub's on there. Sorry, you're going to bolt the body tub down to the actual chassis. I'll have to replace a couple of these bolts later on, and so we can move the car around and get some panels lined up as well. Okay guys, as you can see, I'm all hot and sweaty again. Always know when I've done a good day's work on the MGs, usually when I break out to a massive sweat like this. As you can see from behind me, the car is now back in the garage. I've got the firewall sitting on there, plus the timber that goes around between the actual firewall and the body tub. What I'm going to have to do though is replace that timber, and which I knew about, because there is some fiberglass being built into it, just to try and I suppose build it out a bit, and it's not too good. So I've got some timber for it, which I'm actually going to stain and have it normally when you actually build the T series, the timber is exposed but it's painted body colour. So what I'm going to do is stain it and varnish it, so it's actually, you can see the timber, so it sort of shows the people that the car is made of wood, made of timber. It's not just all metal like a normal car is these days. So I thought that was something a little bit different, and of course I've got a timber steering wheel and also have a timber dash as well. But anyway, that's all for this video. Once again, please, jump on our page, mgrebuild.store. Grab one of these t-shirts, they are going pretty fast. There will be a new design within the next week or so as well, so keep your eyes out for that one. But anyway, Look, if you can please subscribe to this page, it does help help me keep going with the actual rebuild. What started off as just doing a few videos, or was originally going to be a few photos for the previous owner, which turned into videos, and now it's turned into a whole rebuild series. I want to be able to keep doing this. I absolutely love doing it, and love doing the rebuild, and also like showing people what I've been doing, and I'm actually quite proud of it. So, like I said in the last video, I want to be able to do an MGB and MGA as well. So, so if we, by having the subscribers to the page does help that. So, if you can please subscribe to the page, hit the notification button so you don't miss out on any videos that are coming out. Obviously, hit like, share it with all your friends, and throw a comment or two in as well. I've had a couple of people say, look, can we have your postal address so I can send you a letter instead of being electronic? And look, that's fine. I'll put my address up there in the top corner, so if you want to send me a letter via snail mail, and if you want, I can read it out over the actual channel. So until next time, enjoy watching these videos, and we'll see you in about a week's time. Okay, see ya.